Okay, and here we are with Stina Nylander, with the Internet of Sports applications. Tell us about it.
We are trying to work with what will be the future of sports technology. What kind of technology will we have for sports in a couple of years? Since we are seeing this huge Internet of Things trend in society and business, more sensors, more connected devices, more data, and in a sense, sports is already there. People have heart rate monitors and all kinds of apps that are tracking what they're doing, and they're uploading this on the web. So we are looking at how can we take this one step further. We are showing how we can use movement data for sports. We are visualizing upper body movement for running to help people in a way analyze their running technique and how their body movement changes, for example, when they go uphill or if they go on a road compared to in the woods or so, and helping them to understand how they're moving and how they're using their body. And we are doing this together with athletes, of course. We have been working with the Swedish national team in orienteering, and they are super happy to get mobile tools, since they are, their sport takes place in all kinds of terrains and they're covering a lot of distance and surface. So for them it's extremely important to be able to analyze running technique on different surfaces. So a treadmill is a very, very poor approximation of what they're doing. So they're super happy for mobile tools.
And this tool, is it available on the market today or no?
Not at the moment. We are still working on it. I will not promise that, but our part of it is an Android app, so that is not really hard to release once we get it stable enough and feel happy and confident with that. Hardware-wise, we are using a commercial heart rate monitor. And at the moment, it's kind of locked to that specific brand. So I'm not sure if we want to release it when it's that limited, so that you cannot use the heart rate monitor that you already have at home. So it's a research prototype at the moment, and we will see a little bit what happens with it.
And for you as a researcher, what's the most interesting part of this project?
I think it's about finding new sources for feedback, because stopwatches have been around forever, and tape measures and things. So sports has always been measured, but with the sensors that we have now, accelerometers and gyros, and God knows what we will have in a year or 2 or 5, that gives us new sources to create feedback for athletes and people who want to do sports. And I think that is a really, really interesting challenge, both for sports and also in a wider Internet of Things perspective. It can teach us something about how people will experience and be affected by a censored society that we probably will see in a couple of years.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.